Welcome to the magic garden where the flowers grow so high. Let's find the number 17 underneath the sunny sky. 17, 17, the magic number we have seen. 17, 17, in our garden bright and green. Look around at petals glowing, colors soft and breezes blowing. Count the blossoms one by one. 17 shines in the sun. Let's count 17 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17. Butterflies are gently flying over roses, softly gliding in the garden, calm and clean. Everything loves 17. 1 and 7, side by side. 17 is easy when you try. 10 plus 7, that's the way. 17 is here to stay. Tiny footsteps on the pathway, magic colors lead the way. Leaves are dancing light and free. 17 is fun to see.